few royal crazes and my false royal crazes. Sure, I'm a lucky number. What a way I love the drama and the baga and the disgrace and the excitement just like I'm myself, yeah. And the whole I wanna go and rejoice. Oh, my this and my dad. You know, not sister God cover me, me anointed. My journey is my journey, my destiny is my destiny. My choice is my choice. I see my conscience is my conscience. Cannot be nobody's conscience. No matter when I talk or write and say I'm still here, I've got life because I'm alive. Hot girl, bad girl, Queenie, move on, no dirty, nasty. But some sweep it, some cover it, some hide it. I am who I am. I am myself. I know what the hot girl Queenie says for tomorrow, Friday the 29th of July. Me and all are ready. Ready, steady, go. My baby, me find a second baby because maybe don't answer you now work. Me know what I working about. True Queenie can ram husband come give me a divorce you now. Oh that son. Eh? Oh that son. You know answer.
Traumatize the poor man to blood.
You're gonna let Queenie get. Don't come back and want Dewey right now. Dewey is my new man. You're off the list right now.
Wanna come
Dewey
text your
edit it
phone.
right now. Okay. Have a blessed day at work. See you later.
Wanna come text your phone. Nobody
My
come
man
text
say
me.
I'm mad.
No.
My man say I'm mad. I ain't even listening to you. Lady gangster. Queen Lady gangster, you know why I leave Dewey at you go for life today. So you're glad how me never understand. And you understand. You're glad how me ankles. I leave Dewey. Me on the road, I take Dewey. I wanna know. Me say for no see me and me, I take Dewey. But for today, Dewey, me are the best bad friend.
Oh.
Gangster, me and Dewey are the big friend. We's gonna be friend. But now I'm Dewey. And I there with Dewey, but me and Dewey gonna be friend. Me and Dewey gonna communicate. Yeah, we're gonna speak as friend. Because you give me him as a friend now and I accept his friend request and I love off his friend request. So I'm gonna like up him picture. I'm gonna comment and I need to baby. Good after I don't know what you comment them. Watch the comment them. I'm gonna like him up now. I'm gonna like up all your picture them in the comment. I bet. When we get the cocky room, we pull out. Cocky took now back from that. So no when you don't see me, don't see me they put it brawling.
Brawling.
Me put it out brawling. It no normal a lie.
No,
Brawling. It no normal brawling. You see some people, Ziggy, they like when you and people up mischief. And as I said, I can see it with Lady Gangster say she was pushed to this level. And she come in a place where she did not expect who she's gonna run up into. Me can look into this. She's going through her trauma right now and her grief right now. She not got grief. She go through the man grief. Put it out, make it clear. And now she must look into herself and relax and sit down, looking at your mirror, talk to yourself, and tell yourself, say, this could have cost me life. If you want good, your nose have to run. So if you want back your husband, you need to chill and calm. Talk about different stuff. Go back in your praise and worship. Go back in your video thing. Go back in your little loud self or your little jiggy jiggy joke. Loud relationship now. Seek help for that. And nobody have to know your business straight. Take your man. I don't care what I'm doing. Come here. I just am sorry for you. I don't give the way you.
Still on. I will water them. Pass the water them. My mind my business.
Yeah, Yeah, she acknowledged that she wrong, and that's what I like about her. She acknowledged that she wrong because that's why she couldn't go live. But because I did not want the problem again, me make sure I put it out there because me know me never not take Dewey. Dewey no know me address, Dewey no know me yard, and me not understand your something. Nobody. I tell myself if this up Dewey, no, me not this up Dewey. Dewey do me nothing, you mad? When a boy, if him come live and try say no, then they say there, but he not do it. So why should I do it? I respect him as a man. So all him have to do, him need a break, maybe, and him don't know if he tell her, and him just a chill out. You understand? Because man no talk like how a woman will talk, Ziggy. A man with there so quiet, you don't know what him a think in him head. Maybe he not think nothing negative, but him a think, say, you know what, me need a break.
Come take your phone out. Come text your phone.
Yeah, she just need that. She just need to relax herself. And in the day, I'm gonna call Queenie for my life. I'm gonna tell Queenie, you need to apologize to me, Lord and Brown, and on Instagram. Apologize to me and I accept me. You move on again.
And leave it right there.
Simple as that. She need to do it. She
Mm.
need to do it. She acknowledge it yet, but she need to say sorry because I'm gonna lose my picking him and gonna prison because look what he caused because you're a big sister. Iguana ready. Look what you cause. Wanna carry the woman come at people yard. To the woman have a stress. She not think positive at the moment. I wanna know say her head no stand on her body at the moment. For wanna sit with her in her house, counselor and try to carry her say Queenie, listen man, if you don't want to take it up, me the walk well left you this time as a sister. Seek some little counseling, go to some little classes then man, and focus on yourself, bring back yourself, leave Dewey out of this, wait for a minute, relax, stop calling name. No make him make you feel like you are got mad over vibe. Relax. Oh, Ziggy, my husband is Milan England. Hey, yo,
True.
I breed. Pan boy, make boy know because him could blood breed me. Oh yeah, you not, you know.
So
Yeah,
you
come now.
couldn't just forgive him for the one fuck
You're not
you
in
have
there,
to
son.
you have to give it back. You couldn't just forgive him. You have to give it back.
You might give back what? And then me have to put money in the money have to go in a home office and send him come and then send him to come do me.